Aren't you tired of dealing with writer's block or spending hours brainstorming and writing your video scripts, headlines, and titles? Well, creators, look no farther than AI writing tools. And in this video, I'll share with you my best AI writing tools to help you create attention-grabbing and accurate content in a snap. First, let's talk about OpenAI's ChatGPT. ChatGPT, a conversational AI, is a powerful tool that can listen, learn, and respond to any question or task. While it may seem daunting as it has the potential to take over many jobs, it can also help in the creative process. For example, it can generate ideas for stories, scripts, and much more. The output may serve as a starting point for a project, as the AI has the ability to structure a story effectively. However, it's important to note that while AI may have the technical know-how, it still requires the human touch to truly resonate with an audience. Next on the list, we have Writesonic. Writesonic primarily generate video scripts for YouTube and also provide written content for blog posts, articles, and product descriptions. Not bad. While it's primarily a tool to generate video scripts, it has also been designed to adapt to other social media platforms, such as TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and others. The templates provided by Writesonic can be used to create content for various social media platforms, as they are designed to be flexible and adaptable. However, the extent to which it can be used on other platforms is not clear, as the information available on the official website is only limited to videos and blogs. And finally, we have Descript. Descript AI is a video editing software that utilizes artificial intelligence to transcribe speech in videos and allow users to edit the transcript like a document. This makes it easy for users to make changes to the dialogue or add new speech to the video. The software also has the capability to manipulate the user's voice through techniques such as deepfaking or overdubbing. This feature can be utilized to correct errors or alter the speaker's voice to match the user's, making it useful for creating voiceovers for video. This means the user can change the voice of the person speaking in the video to any voice the user wants.
Yesterday over biscuits, I spoke to Detective Greg Campbell.
So, Descript AI in a nutshell is an AI-powered tool for video editing that allows its users to easily make changes to their videos, while also providing advanced features like deepfake and overdubbing. There you have it. AI is everywhere now, and there's tons of apps just like the ones I've mentioned in this video, but in my humble opinion, these are the best AI writing tools to assist in streamlining your content creation and enhancing the overall quality of your work. If you're interested in checking them out, visit their respective website for more information. I have listed the links in the description below. Also, check out this other video if you are interested in AI tools video editors need to start using to help you increase your productivity with your video editing workflow. Thank you guys for watching, and if this video was helpful in any way, shape, or form, don't forget to give it a like, drop a comment, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this one. Until the next time, catch you guys on the flip side.